Hi kids, this is teacher Erica and welcome to math class. Today, we are going to talk about ordering fractions. Everybody, please say ordering fractions. Okay, so in our previous lesson, you have learned already about the fractions. So now you will learn on how to put them or arrange them in proper order. Okay? So to compare fractions, you can draw a picture or use the butterfly method. So draw a picture. This is the example. By drawing, you will know if which one is smaller and which one is larger. Alright? So we have here 3/4. Okay? So this is the drawing of the picture of the 3/4 fraction. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. And then 3. So 3 shaded parts. And then this is the picture of 5/6 fraction. So 6 parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 5 shaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So when you look at the pictures of these two fractions, you will see that the 5/6 picture has a greater shaded part. So you can say that 3/4 is less than 5/6. Okay, you can also use butterfly method so that you will know if which fraction is smaller and which fraction is larger or equal. Okay, so when you do this butterfly method, this is called a butterfly method because it looks like this. Okay, so 3 numerator times denominator. So 3 times 3, 9. Okay, so 3 times 3, 9. Okay, hold on. Sorry for this. Alright. So 3 times 3 is 9. And then 5 times 2, it's 10. So now we can compare. 9 is smaller than 10. Understand? So we can say that 3/5 is smaller than 2/3. Okay? 2/3. Okay. So this is how you're going to compare fractions. So another example here, butterfly method. So it's 3. Okay, you will going to do this like you can also do like cross 1. So 3 times 4, 12, right? Okay, and then 10 times 1, it's 10. Okay, so 12 is larger than or makwa 10, right? So it follows that 3/10 is larger than or more than 1/4. Okay? So to order fraction, you can draw a picture or use the least common denominator. In getting least common denominator, it's like getting the LCM. Okay, in our previous lesson, I've taught you already on how to get the LCM. So this is now another way to apply the LCM. Okay. Draw a picture. Order least to greatest. So let's order this fraction by least to greatest. Least to greatest. Alright. So by drawing or picture, this is the representation of 3 fourths, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because the denominator is 4. And then numerator is 3, so 3 shaded parts, 1, 2, 3. So, and then this is 1/2. 1, 2, and then 1 numerator, so 1 shaded part. And this is the 5 over 6. So as you can see, which one is the smallest or the least fraction? This one, 1/2, right? 1/2, the first, the very small or the least. Okay. This one. So this is the very least, 1/2. Then next is, so this one is the first. Next is 3/4 and 5/6. Which one? So 3/4. Okay. 3/4. And the next is the greatest, the very big fraction is 5 over 6. Okay, so order the fraction from least to greatest. 1 over 2, 3 over 4, and 5 over 6. So by you can get the order, or you can arrange the fractions by picture. Alright? One way to compare or order fractions is to express them with the same denominator. So you have to use LCM to get the LCD. Any common denominator could be used, but the least common denominator makes the computation easier. So the least common denominator is the least common multiple of the denominator. So it's just the same, okay? So I know you are already familiar with the LCM. So use the LCD. List the fractions in order this time from greatest to least. So these are the fractions. 1 over 6, 7 over 12, 5 over 9, and 2 over 3. So step 1, find the LCM of the denominators. What are the denominators? 6, 12, 9, and 3. So you have, this time, you can just do the listing method. Okay, I've taught you already about the two methods in getting LCM. So you can just use prime factorization or listing method. So in this example, it's a listing method. So the LCM of 6. Okay, so we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on and so forth. 6, 12, 9, 3, and 27. Okay, so as you have noticed, the least common multiple is 36. So therefore, the LCD is 36. So now write the equivalent fractions. So from 1 over 6, you have to find the number that you're going to multiply both in numerator and denominator to make it into 36. Alright? So this one. Okay. Okay, so 6 times 6, 36. And then this time, you will multiply 4 by 9. You will multiply 9 by 4 to make it 36. You will multiply 12 by 3 to make it 36. And you will multiply 12 by 3 to make it 36. So you have to find the number that you're going to multiply to the given denominators to make it 36. Alright? And then step 3, compare the numerators. So now we have the same denominators. We can compare the numerator, this one, the color pink shaded. Okay, 6, 20, 21, 24. So from greatest to least, 2 over 3, 7 over 12, 5 over 9, and 1 over 6. Right? So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy our lesson. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.